take me and strangle me now, won't you?
I'm a suck.
But guess what? It's time for
I'm a
bed.
suck. Yay.
Okay, Eddie,
Guess
time
what?
to eat your... Chicken butt.
What you get?
I got a fart right in the leg. I know life is rough.
Mommy, so we're taking an interview on you. So, what's your job?
Okay, Eddie, your spaghetti's ready, so finish up and come
What's
on
your job?
Okay, spaghetti's ready, Eddie.
What's your job?
Sleeping.
Okay. What are you best at it?
When?
No, what are you best at it?
Okay,
Sleep.
Okay, what's your favorite thing to do about it?
Lay down.
Do you do anything? How much do they pay you?
Some of the pages of the chocolate.
They pay me in sleep hours.
Something Izzy did.
Okay.
He did all these A's. And see, I told him as you practice, you get better and better. See?
I get better.
And I showed him batter and batter. As in practice, you get batter and batter.
Okay. So
Better.
this show, just so you know, this show
I cleaned all
is
around
called
here. And I've been...
this show.
Bing, 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 bing.
This show is called This show is called What to Wear Shoes for Work. So your shoes for work are these shoes. These will be your shoes for work. Those are your shoes for work.
Bing, 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 bing.
There.
Bing, 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 bing.
And you love them. That's perfect. So that's shoes for work. Next time we'll do shoes for pet.